Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, you are so very welcome. Today I'm going to talk about positive affirmations. I thoroughly believe that it's something that every single person alive should be doing, and every single person alive will be able to benefit from this. It will help you achieve all your goals and, quite frankly, change your life. My name is Martine Andrea. I'm an online entrepreneur and constantly looking for ways to become happier, more fulfilled, and on this journey I want to take as many people as possible. If I can just help one person achieve their goals and become happier and more fulfilled, I have done my job. So what I'm going to do, first I'm going to talk to you about what are positive affirmations. Then I'm going to address why and how they work. Then I will share some personal stories where affirmations came true. I will also teach you how to do positive affirmations and share some really powerful ones that you can start using today. And please, if there ever was a video that you watched till the end, let this be the one, because I'm going to share with you the most powerful tool that I have found to accelerate your positive affirmations and reach your goals quicker. And it's going to make you instantly feel more powerful, like you can take on the world. So if you watch any video to the end ever, let this be the one today. It will not disappoint. So let's get started. What are positive affirmations? Positive affirmations are quite simply positive things that you are saying about yourself in present time. Things you want to achieve in life, feelings that you want to have, things you want to have, relationships you want to have, anything that you would like to achieve, happiness, more fulfillment, better job, anything at all. You're telling yourself positive things in real time. It's basically harnessing the power of positive thinking. One of the reasons I think this is so important is because we are, as humans, extremely prone to talking ourselves down and telling ourselves we can't do that, or we can't achieve this, or I'm never going to be this and I'm never going to be that. We are so guilty of doing this subconsciously. We are not even aware that we might be standing in our own way. Negative thoughts basically become self-fulfilling prophecies. We talk ourselves into believing that we're not good enough, which is rubbish. But as a result, we drag ourselves down, and we can also drag our relationships down, our career down, our prospects down. There's a Japanese proverb that goes like this: don't speak badly of yourself. The warrior inside listens to your words and is lessened by them. And that is so true. Our subconsciousness is constantly listening, constantly learning, constantly shaping us. And if all we are feeding it is, I don't think I can do this, I don't feel comfortable about this. Tell me if any of these sound familiar. I'm never going to be able to do this job. I'm not smart enough. I need to do a speech, but I'm so scared of public speaking, I might embarrass the company. I wish I could stand up for myself. I always let people walk all over me. When we think like this, our confidence, our mood, and even the way that we carry ourselves becomes negative. So, how and why positive affirmations work? So maybe you're not completely convinced, and you might think that just saying positive things to yourself is just unrealistic, wishful thinking. But look at it this way. You go to the gym and you do the same repetitive exercises to make something better. Positive affirmations are exactly that. Repetitive exercises to make something better. And these mental repetitions have the power to reprogram the way that you think, the way that you act, the way that you carry yourself. You will, quite frankly, start looking different. I am happy and fulfilled. I am confident and powerful. I am now earning a great income doing what I love. By saying these and repeating these, you are programming your mind to go after these things and achieving them. So you might say that telling myself that I am rich isn't magically going to bring money into my account, but think of it like this then. As humans, we want to be around people that make us feel good. Positive people attract people. Imagine you're walking into the office or wherever you work and you look confident, you look happy, you strike up a chat with your coworkers, you make them feel happy, so your positivity is rubbing off on them. You, my friend, are now probably the next in line to get a promotion. To make it really, really simple, Just imagine a day where you're feeling really down, you're beating yourself up. How much do you get done that day? And then on the other hand, think about a day where you were happy, positive, and energetic. How much did you get done that day? Positive affirmations also relieve stress, and if done in the morning, set you up for a more productive day. And if you're productive at work, that's not going to go unnoticed. People with a positive mindset are also way more likely to see an opportunity when it presents itself and have the confidence to pursue this opportunity. Which leads me to the next bit of the video. I want to share with you 2 stories from when I've done positive affirmations and they came true. So as we were just talking about opportunity, I'll take that one first. So I was doing this contract in Poland and it was coming towards the end and I wasn't quite sure what to do next, and I basically didn't feel great about life. I'd been feeling lonely for quite some time and it just wasn't a good mental period of time. But I was doing my positive affirmations and I was telling myself that something was coming, the next contract is coming, and I was just pumping myself up, feeling really good about this opportunity that was coming my way. And after a week or so, I saw this job application pop up on my phone from some subscription thing that I have. And it was a performing job, which I haven't done in a while, and I was really, really excited. And because it made me so happy, and I was like, yes, I have manifested this, I have to get this job. And I was telling myself, I am getting this job is mine, I am so grateful now that I am starting this job soon. I had to do some audition videos, so I had to do a couple of singing videos. I mean, in the videos, I'm just radiating, I'm a positive person, hire me. And I got on to the next round, which was a Zoom call, Zoom interview. Same thing. I am radiating who I am as a person, what I can give you, what I can do for your company. And I got the job. And I'm starting this job in a couple of months' time. And I am so excited about it. And you can say that, but that job application would have popped up anyway. Maybe. But I was in such a good positive mindset because of my affirmations, which showed in the videos, which was obviously showing in my interview. That's the power of positive affirmations. And the second one is a little bit more of a puzzling one. So what is said about positive affirmations is sometimes thoughts become things. What you're putting out there, you attract, okay? And this was very early on when I was first starting to do affirmations. So I thought I would just try out this big one. Let's try this big one. So I was basically doing affirmations that said £10,000 in my bank account by the end of whatever month it was. Let's pretend it was June. Let's say it was June. £10,000 in my bank account by the end of June. I'm so grateful for the £10,000 that are coming in my bank account before the end of June. And I would do this, I think I did it for at least a month and a half. Now, positive affirmations will show up in different ways. Maybe they don't always show up the way that you thought they would or the way that you hoped they would, but they will show up somehow. I didn't have £10,000 in my bank account. However, for some bizarre reason, I ended up with 10,000 kroner, which is the Norwegian currency, in my Norwegian bank account. That was just, I can't even remember what it was. I think it was just money from family or money from something. I can't even remember, but it was 10,000 kroner. And you might not know, but that's way less. It's more the equivalent about £1,200 rather than £10,000. But it manifested itself somehow, and it was that number. It was the number that I had manifested. So I will now teach you, in my opinion, the best ways of doing positive affirmations, and I'll give you some examples of affirmations that you can start using today. I'll also put them down in the description so you can copy paste them, put into a Word document of your own if you like. Now, I believe every single person in the world will benefit from doing positive affirmations, but there are a couple of things that I need you to know. So if you're not familiar with positive affirmations and you're starting from scratch and you're finding yourself currently in a very dark place, or you're feeling depressed, or you're just going through a rough time, I need you to be aware that the beginning might be a bit of a learning curve. What you might find in the beginning when you start doing positive affirmations is that your positive affirmations will be fighting your current belief system. And your current belief system, that's the one that keeps telling you you're not good enough. That's the one that keeps telling you you won't achieve anything. So that is obviously the nasty, bad thoughts that are, first of all, incorrect, but it's a part of your belief system. Trust me, this is natural. And you have to keep fighting that. Keep doing the positive affirmations. Keep feeling what you're saying to yourself. But just be aware that you might have a little bit of time in the beginning where you're battling your own demons, where there's a fight between your current belief system and the positive new outlook that you're trying to implement into your life. And trust me, if you keep fighting it, the bad things, the bad side is going to lose. And in the beginning, you might feel a little bit silly talking to yourself. That's a part of the process too. After a while, you won't care. I can promise you with all my heart, if you keep doing positive affirmations, you will change your life for the better. So now I'm going to share with you some positive affirmations that you can start using today. You can of course also create your own. Anything that you want to achieve, make a little sentence of it. It just needs to be present time, as in you're achieving it right now. That's the best way of propelling your way forward. So the affirmations can be done either laying down, sitting upright, or standing up. The only thing I would say is a must is a straight spine, shoulders back, and chest slightly out, so open chest. If you're laying on the floor, don't push your chest out, just make sure your shoulders are open. But if you can, I would always recommend standing up in the middle of the room in what we call a power stance. So that is feet more than hip width apart, standing up straight and tall, like somebody is pulling your spine through a string through your head, up, 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 and you're growing that way. Shoulders rolled slightly back, chest out with pride, like a peacock, like a swan. That might sound silly, just try. Just stand there like the powerful lion that you are and feel the energy that's now coursing through your body. There is a reason why when somebody with great posture and energy walks into a room, you are immediately drawn to that person. This exercise will help make you that person. I am happy. I am confident. I am healthy. I am rich. I am grateful for my life. I'm so happy now that I am fulfilled. I'm so grateful that I am happy and strong. I love and approve of myself. I trust myself. Today is going to be a great day. I am safe and strong. I am a good person. I can achieve anything. People love to give me money. Money comes to me easily. Money flows easily into my life. The past has no control over me. I am deeply fulfilled with who I am. I usually choose 3 or 4 of these and I repeat them over and over and over again in the power stance. Now, if you made it to this part of the video, thank you so much, and I'm so grateful. I am so grateful that you are pursuing this and trying to create a more positive future for yourself. So as promised, I'm going to give you my absolute top tip that is going to accelerate your positive affirmations. And today, right now, if you do this, it's going to make you feel more powerful and ready to take on the world. So when you're doing your positive affirmations, what you're going to do is put on an epic piece of music. Now, my favorite pieces of music are from movies, just epic, instrumental, orchestral, beautiful music. And I have a challenge for you. And I really encourage you to do this right now. Right now, if you can, do this. Down below in the description, I have linked a whole bunch of my favorite epic music pieces from films. What I want you to do is choose one. Go stand in the middle of the room like I've just told you. Pick a couple of affirmations, maybe just 1, maybe 2. Stand with the energy through your body because you're stood upright, your spine is straight, and I want you to turn the volume up and do your affirmations while listening to the piece of music. The whole song, very important that you do it for the whole song. The best bits of the music are usually towards the end. And then I want you to please come back here and put down in the comments which piece of music that you chose and how it made you feel. Maybe just standing in the power stands and listening to the music is enough. Maybe closing your eyes, but come back here and tell me what you felt. Let the positivity flow through your body. Have a slight smile on your face when you're saying the positive affirmations, and please come back and let me know. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it and found any value in it at all, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel for more videos like this, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.